Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locating the short you want to slow down. YouTube Shorts often play as 60 FPS or 30 FPS. Higher frame rates yield smoother slow motion. Once found, tap Share and choose Open in New Tab or Copy Link so you can access the video page rather than the compact Shorts player. This matters because the dedicated video page exposes the playback speed controls or lets you use browser extensions and developer tools, which are necessary for creating reliable slow-motion playback. Now you switch to the video page and look for playback speed in the settings menu. Choose 0, 5x or 0, 25x to slow motion. If the app Shorts player lacks that control, open the same link in a desktop browser or enable desktop mode on mobile, because desktop players expose speed settings. Alternatively, use trusted browser extensions or a downloader to play the file in a media player that supports variable speed. Make sure the source is 60 FPS or higher. Otherwise, slow motion will appear. Finish by testing incremental speeds so you preserve audio quality and smooth motion. Try 0. 5x first, then 0. 25x. If playback is choppy, that indicates a low frame rate source or streaming limitations, so make sure you're using a 60 FPS plus original or play the file in VLC or another player that uses frame interpolation. If YouTube restricts controls, download the short where permitted and open it locally. One troubleshooting tip: if speed controls are missing, use desktop mode or a browser extension to access the playback speed setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.